At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an ironing business can be a great entrepreneurial venture, especially if you have a knack for getting clothes perfectly pressed. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Research the market demand for ironing services in your area. Identify your target customers, such as busy professionals, families, or businesses. Analyze your competition to understand their pricing, services offered, and target market. Create a business plan outlining your services, pricing, target market, marketing strategies, and financial projections. 2. Legal requirements. Register your business and choose a suitable business structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc. Obtain any necessary licenses or permits required in your area. Consider getting liability insurance to protect yourself and your business. 3. Set up your workspace. Designate a space in your home or rent a commercial space for your ironing business. Ensure it's well ventilated and equipped with necessary tools like irons, ironing boards, steamers, and hangers. Invest in quality equipment to ensure professional results. 4. Define your services. Decide on the range of services you'll offer, such as ironing only, ironing and folding, garment repair, and special treatments like starching or steaming. Determine your pricing structure based on factors like garment type, quantity, and turnaround time. 5. Marketing and promotion. Create a brand identity including a business name, logo, and website. Utilize both online and offline marketing channels to promote your business. This could include social media, local newspapers, flyers, and word-of-mouth referrals. Offer promotional deals or discounts to attract new customers. 6. Provide excellent service. Focus on delivering high-quality service to your customers. Ensure garments are pressed to perfection and returned promptly. Offer convenient pickup and delivery options to make your service more attractive to busy customers. Establish clear communication channels for inquiries, bookings, and feedback. 7. Build customer relationships. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Address any concerns or issues promptly and professionally. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and refer others to your business. Consider implementing a loyalty program to reward repeat customers.
8. Manage finance.
Keep detailed records of your income and expenses. Set aside funds for taxes and other business expenses. Regularly review your financial performance and adjust your pricing or services as needed. By following these steps and staying focused on providing exceptional service, you can build a successful ironing business. Remember that consistency and reliability are key to establishing a strong reputation in the market. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.